How to check CPU usage and fix high CPU usage on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to monitor your CPU and bring it back down to normal quickly and easily. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time to open Task Manager. Let me show you. After that, click on the Performance tab at the top of the Task Manager window. From there, click on CPU on the left side to see your real-time CPU usage and performance graph. At this point, if your CPU usage is consistently above 80 or 90%, it means something is overloading your processor. In the next step, click on the Processes tab at the top to see a full list of all running apps and processes. From there, click on the CPU column header to sort all processes by CPU usage from highest to lowest. At this stage, look for any process at the top that is consuming an unusually high percentage of your CPU. Let me show you what to do next. Following this, right-click on the problematic process and click on End Task to stop it immediately. Once done, check if your CPU usage drops back down to a normal level after ending that process. From here, if the high CPU usage keeps coming back, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. At this point, click on Apps and then click on Startup Apps. From there, disable any unnecessary apps from starting up automatically. Toggle off anything you don't need running in the background. Let me show you. At this stage, go back to Settings and click on Windows Update. Make sure all your system updates are installed, as outdated drivers can sometimes cause high CPU usage. Following this, if a specific app like antivirus software is causing high CPU usage, open that app and check its settings. Schedule scans for off-peak hours to reduce the impact on your CPU during normal use. Here's an important note. Some CPU spikes are normal, especially when opening heavy apps or during system updates. Only be concerned if your CPU is consistently running at high levels even when your PC is idle. Finally, press and hold the power button or click on the Start menu and select Restart. A fresh restart clears temporary files and background processes that may be contributing to high CPU usage. And that's it. If this guide helped you check and fix high CPU usage on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.